YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and other social media platforms all the time. Check your video to see if you have put in any copyrighted sound on your video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you two best websites that will give you free music and sound effects for free. So if you stick around to the end of this video, I'll also give you one best website that will actually give you memes with sound as well. And as you all know, in this generation, if you edit your video without sound effect or perfect music, you actually know how you're gonna perform. So yeah, without any further ado, let's start with it. So first, go to any browser of your choice. So I'm using Chrome right now. So I'll go to Chrome and then I'll type in MyInstant. So MyInstant like this, and then I click on that. And then within a minute, it will pop up. Click on the first website with the red button icon. Click on that, and yeah, it will take you through their website. So here you will see a lot of sound here. So you can actually choose between which one you like, which one you prefer. So I'll search, let's say, okay, there's this sound here. I can click on that, like crazy, and they have many of it. So you can actually search the one that you want as well. And yeah, let's search this one. Boom, within a minute you get what you want. So it's simple as well. And here is how you can also download it pretty easy. So first you just click on the name, and then it will take you to the next page, and then you click on download mp3. This is very easy and it's legal as well. There's not going to be copyright on your video. So you click on save where you want it to be, and boom, save. So here you can actually locate it, and we try to play it as well. So let's play it. You can actually play it. See, it's playing right now. It's playing right now. So here you can actually listen to it. Yeah. So you can actually add it to your edits, and it's free as well. Very nice. And then the next one is Mixkit. So let's type in Mixkit, and then search Mixkit, and you see the first website. You click on that. Yes, here is a very different place to get all your stock footages, sound effects, music, video templates, and many more. So here, let's say we want sound effects. We have 3,000 plus sound effects, and also 1,000 plus music tracks, and stock videos over 45,000 plus, and 851 templates. So it's kind of cool. So let's say sound effects, and then boom, you can actually listen to it before we download it. And pretty easy. You're not going to pay anything to download it. So here is how we're going to download it. Let's say we want fast rocket swoosh. So click on this, and then boom, we have it here where we want to download to. You click on save, and then within a minute you have to our download place. So let's go back. And also you can actually choose between how you want it to be. You can actually see transition, nature, technology, funny, notification, many more. So let's say transition, we have glitch or impact. So let's click on glitch. So yeah, and we click on this one, glitch. Anyhow, and they have a lot of effects that you can actually download, and it's free to put on your video. So let's go back to music. Let's say you want to add music to your YouTube video. It's pretty easy as well. So okay, let's go back to search music that you want. Where is the music? Okay, yeah, stock music. You click on that, and then it takes us here. So here you have son and his daughter, and let's move for a little bit. Then you can actually listen to the music that you want to download, and within a minute you get in your download before us. Pretty easy. However, the type of music you want to be acoustic, bango, bass, solo, anyhow you want it to be realization, dance, workout, holiday, video game, many more party. So you can actually download what you want from here. And as this video is not going to be so long, I'm actually going to add this one to it, which is actually insane. This website is one of kind, where you can get every meme that you have been looking for, every meme going on TikTok, Instagram, any social media platform, any meme that you have seen, even the one that is uploaded right now. So here we type in Flipsy. So sorry, Flipsy, and then click on that. Flipsy, and then click on the first website, which has a elephant face on it. Click on that, and then it will take you to their website. So here we have a lot of meme here, and it's actually go with the sound. It's legal to download, and there's no copyright. So trust me. And let's say we see I should speed. You say what? Let's click on that, and then you see what. That's cool. So if you want to download it, that's also easy. So click on the three lines here, and then you click on download. So here it is going to get it 720p and above, but it is free to get it 480p. So click on that, and then you watch a little bit of ad. It is not going to take that long. It's 13 seconds. So yeah, and sometimes you're not going to watch ad though. You can actually download any one that you want, and you can also search for the one that you also want as well. So within minutes, the ad is finished. So you are done watching the ad, and then download. So go to download, and you can actually locate it and play if it has downloaded very well. So let's see. Yeah. What? Yeah, you have it. The only thing that is disturbing is the privacy sign, but you can actually trim it out and then add it to your listening or put something on it. Very simple. So thanks for watching the video, and if you have made it this far, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I'll be giving you updates like this and more.